Let's do 10 Swedish words, the family of animals.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
Yes, in this video we're going to look at what the names of mama, papa and child is when it comes to certain animals. Because it differs depending on what animal it is. It's not just a he, she, it's other things. Let's go! So let's start with deer, Rådjur, where the male is en bock, the female is en get or ett rå, and the child is kid. Let's move on to cow, which is ko, where the male is tjur, en tjur, female is either en ko or en kviga if she hasn't had a child yet, and the child is en kalv, en kalv. Let's move on to pig, which is gris. The male is galt, en galt, female is en sugga, and the little piglet is en kulting, kulting. And let's move on to dog, which is hund, where the male is just referred to as en hanhund, a he dog, he dog. A female is either en tik or en hynda, and little puppy is en valp, en valp. Cat, which is katt, en katt, where you have en Hankatt and en Honkatt. The kitten has two names, one which is not very common, which is called Källing, and the other one more commonly is en Kattunge, en Kattunge. Let's move on to sheep, which is får, ett får, where the male is en Bagge, the female is en Tacka, and the child is ett Lamm. Let's move on to Höns Poultry, where the male is en tupp, the female is en höna, and the child is en kyckling. Tupp, höna, kyckling. Goat, which is en get, where you have en bock, you have en get, and you have en källing. Bock, get, källing. Bock, get, källing. Bock, get, källing. That could be a song. And let's end this video with horse and Häst. And here you have many names in English depending on the age, but we're going to keep it simple when it comes to the Swedish ones. You have en Hingst, you have ett stu, and the baby is called ett föl, ett föl. So there you go, that was the name of mama, papa and child when it comes to some of the animals that exist out there, especially in Sweden, because I didn't go for the uncommon ones in Sweden. These are common ones at the farm or that you keep at home, like a pig. I want a piglet at home. That would be fun, until it's not anymore. Thank you so much for watching this Learn Swedish 10 Swedish words about animals. If you want to see more of these videos where I teach you Swedish, or if you want to see me whatever I do in my life through vlogs, or how I feel about life on Tuesdays, please subscribe to this channel. If not, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.